Hey guys, good morning. It is Friday, thank God. I've been so ready for the weekend since Monday, but I'm headed to work and I wanted to pop in and talk to you guys really quick. Yeah, so yesterday I had something really interesting happen to me at work. So it's in the morning. I had brought my makeup to work because I was running late because I was doing my hair, trying to get that together. And yeah, so an older white lady that works with us, she came over near where I was getting my stuff together, and she was like, oh, what kind of eyeliner you use, because she loves the eyeliner that I wear. And I showed her. I said, well, actually have it with me, let me show you. And then somehow, I don't know how we got on eyelashes, but she was like, yeah, I have black people eyes because I don't have any eyelashes. Huh? I looked at her. I said, I have eyelashes. And she continues to talk like she didn't say anything like that, like anything that was offensive. She just kept going on. And I was just like, I kind of laughed to myself that she left because I just couldn't believe that she said that to me. It's like, so black people don't have eyelashes? Or you saying black people don't have hair? Like, where are we going with this? Like, where did we come up with this? Like, I've never heard of that. All of my 28, almost 29 years of living, I've never heard of that. Because black people don't have eyelashes? Huh? I'm like, I got hella eyelashes. Now, granted, I'm wearing some, I got some individuals in right now. But, like, when I put on my mascara, my eyelashes are popping. And I have bottom lashes that are popping. And a lot of people just across the board don't have bottom lashes. So I'm just like, really? And, like, I honestly don't think at her core that she's racist or anything like that. I just think she was ignorant to what she was saying. That she didn't realize that it was offensive. Like, I don't know if coming from her time, because she, like I said, she's older, so she comes from that period, so yeah, so I just was like, it's just one of those moments where you kind of have to laugh, because it's like you don't even know what you're saying, and it's like, you know what, because you just didn't really know better in that moment. I just want to think in my heart she just simply did not know better, that she, like, yeah, like it's saying, like, you just don't say stuff like that. You just gotta do better. Just got to do better. Oh my God.